Good morning, everyone. As we discussed today, we will have only doubts session. Huh? Today, non-regular session will have only doubts. First, we'll take from online people, then we will check offline if you have any doubts. Huh? Yeah, online people, if you have any doubts, you can raise your hand so that I can get back to you. Doubts related to what topics till now we have learned, not about the topics that we are going to discuss. Okay. Any doubts related to what we have learned up to now? Yes, Ashish. Yes, Ashish, what is your doubt? You are not audible, Ashish. Yes, Durgesh.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, sir, there is WebVital when we create React project as you suggested. So after that, I got one error. Like I have to install WebVital also. So
You have to install npm install
yeah,
that tool also. JVT, right? JavaScript
yes,
validation.
yes, that I got error. So I search
After
and I.
after opening the project,
Hmm.
in the project you have to run that terminal. I given the process now. Can you share your screen if you have?
So I installed that, but I doubt is that because we in process we install first we create a npx create React project demo React app, right? After that we install npm install AGV, and after that I try to run because in your system it's running. So I getting that error WebVital. So I again install npm WebVital also. So that's my question. So what is this WebVital? It's related
That
to
means
this or I
while
miss any?
report vitals, those are. That is nothing but JavaScript related security related things required for your React application, which actually installs by using npx. While having any issues using npx, it will ask you to explicitly install. Actually, it is not required. So while creating your project, they may have some issues and unable to connect to their server and unable to download that particular library. So you have to manually install it. It's not usually required for every time.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Got
Yeah. Yes, Tejaswini.
Uh, Hi, sir. Good
Yeah.
morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir, I have a small doubt. Like because of some issue in Visual Code, I started setup from starting itself. Sir, let me share my screen.
Sure. Yeah, you can.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is my screen.
Yeah. Yes.
When we run these two commands, this command and this command, like it does create all these files and folders, or it will create only node modules and package.json.
No, it will create everything.
Because when I tried running these two commands, it had created only node modules and package.json.
That may be problem in your npm. So you please install the latest version of Node.js. So if you have old version of Node.js, you may get this issue. So update your Node.js so that you will get the latest npx. Sometimes if npx is an old version installed on your PC, it is unable to create all the folders required for your project. That issue will be there.
Oh, that to update npm, do I need
Just
to
you have
install,
to reinstall
reinstall?
Node.js.
Oh, okay, sir.
You
Sir,
just
it is
reinstall.
something 18
Not
point
18, it
something.
is now 21. So if it is 18, that means it's not updated. You are still using old version.
The Node.js should be
20 above,
21,
20 above, yeah,
20
because
above.
we are using a React 18 and above, it requires 20 above versions.
Okay, sir.
So you update the Node.js to 20 above version, which is latest 22, I think. So,
Okay, okay.
and you will get all these things.
Yes, okay, sir. Sure. I will try.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And yes, Ashish. Ashish, I think you have some problem from your side related to mic. Please check. Yes, Sagar. Yes, Sagar, you have any doubt? Yes, Naidu. Kiran.
Sorry, hi sir, good morning. This is Naidu.
Yes, yes. Morning.
Sir, React.js is a JavaScript library, and sometimes you also pronounce it is a technology. Just wanted to know, like.
No, it is a library. I never said that it is a technology.
Okay, sir. Sometimes in the explanations, React technologies, I heard. Sorry, then that is from my.
Because you can call it as technologies because it have a support for various frameworks also.
Okay.
If any software have a support for various libraries and various frameworks, then you can call it as a technology. I hope you know that, right?
Okay, sir.
No? If it supports various frameworks, usually we call that as technologies. I think you know, right?
Yes, I know, like Java and no.
Java is a language, right?
Java is a language, and
Why people call Java technologies? People usually call Java technologies, .NET technologies, right?
Yes.
But Java is a language. Why they call technologies? Because it has support for various frameworks. All together can build an application, right? Java technologies means all the supported frameworks involved with it. Java means just only language, right? When we say React technologies means along with all the supported frameworks and other third-party libraries involved in that. If I say React library, it will be only React library. If I am using so many integration of libraries and frameworks with React means that is can be pronounced as technologies. I hope you are clear.
Got it. Thank you.
Yeah.
And a couple of days back that you were explaining JavaScript function topics, and you said you will provide.
We will conduct a workshop in that workshop of only functions related concept, and I will share a document in that workshop. So for people who are not clear in functions concept, I will upload one document with workshop also. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And apart from this class notes are there, it's every day we are getting that one. Do you provide any consolidation? I mean, main material kind of things?
So at the end of the course, we will provide you a complete document of FAQs related to interviews and a document related to your notes. At the end of the session, we provide everything.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, Kiran.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, my program is compiling successfully, but its output not showing in a web browser, sir.
Can you share once?
Yes, sure, sir.
You run your project?
Sir,
Are you execute?
yes, sir, I have executed.
See, the console has some issues.
Yes.
Scroll to up. What is your project? Show your project. Where is your startup? Startup is which one? Index. Show your index, please. Index.js. Okay, so register is in the startup. Register. What is that? You are importing a test file. It needs a JSX file, no?
Yes, sir.
You imported .test file,
Register.
registered.test file you imported in index.js, you see.
Sir, can you tell me once again?
At the import statement, you used a test
Yes.
file. What is the test file? You need a JSX file, no?
Okay. Yeah, is it correct, sir? Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, Hemant.
Hello, sir. Actually, I'm trying to build an e-commerce platform clone.
Okay.
And in that clone, we have several components. So for each component, do we have to use different APIs, multiple APIs?
That depends on what components you are building, what modules are you are building for e-commerce app, right? First, you need a high-level design. Can you explain your high-level design and low-level design of your e-commerce app?
No, sir. I was just basically doing with just 3 to 4 components.
You just copied some project, huh?
No, sir. I'm just taking the reference.
If you can explain the high-level and low-level design of your project, what you are doing, so I can tell you where to start with.
No, sir. Actually, my doubt is for every component, we have to use fetch request, right, sir?
For every component, you are using fetch request. That's what I said. So you explain your modules. What the modules you are having in your e-commerce site, and what functionalities those modules do. Then I will tell you where you need fetch and where you don't need.
For basic login and sign up, and in products components, we have 2 categories.
Can you share your project?
No, sir. I didn't have any schema for that.
Just imagination you are doing. You need some practical implementing project, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you share that?
No, sir. It's just a doubt, but I didn't start it yet.
You haven't started and you have doubts in project, huh?
No, sir. I just want to know where to use that fetch commands and APIs.
Fetch commands, wherever you need data from API, you need fetch, right?
Yes, sir.
That is what I said. If you know anything about project, Usually in project, you have modules, and in modules, we need some modules that need data. Some modules that doesn't require data. Understood? For that, first you need to have a proper knowledge on your project and its modules. Okay?
Okay.
Later, when you learn about projects in this class, you will understand.
Okay.
Yes, Sushma. Yes, Sushma, you have any doubt?
Hello.
Yes.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Actually, it's right or wrong, I don't know. I'm a working Angular developer, and as well as I'll just started to learn React.js. But
Okay.
I have a suggestion of which is a backend tool is good for me, like Node.js or Java, or which is the.
Now, already you have any idea of other frameworks in the backend or languages?
No, I don't have a knowledge of backend, but I want to learn backend as well. But which is the best thing? Why? Because I know Angular. Now I started React, right?
Okay.
So in market.
See, if you have to start again with Java, it's a very complex process because you are already showing your experience in front end, right? So in that case, better always go with the MERN stack that will be suitable for you. That means Node.js. Huh?
Yeah, okay. Thank you. I am also thinking that only. Yeah, thank you.
Because again, going into technologies like Java, .NET is very complex. Yes. And at experience level, you have to manage that through the backend means difficult. So MERN will be better for you, right? And you can even apply as a mean and MERN stack developer because you already have knowledge of Angular. Node, Express, these are enough so that you can make a good profile with that. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, online people. So you have any more doubts? Yes, Rameshwar.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Actually, in our company, they will be using white instead of Webpack.
It doesn't matter. Later also we will see that. So we will see white, parcel. They are all bundling tools. You can use any tool for application designing, and that doesn't change your React application. That is only the process of configuring your application. Right? Your React will not change because of these bundling tools. Whichever tool you are using, React is same, right?
Yeah, React is same, but like
the only configuration and the frameworks attached to that application will be different. Which framework they are using with White and React?
In React 19, they have started recently, and like
usually only React 19 they don't start. Actually, when they are using White and React 19 means they recommend to use some frameworks along with React like Next.js and all. Which one your company is using?
I'm not 100% sure. I got just involved and I don't know anything about UI. Experience in other technologies.
Okay, no problem, because White is just like a Webpack. You have used NPM. Similarly, you use White. So it is just a bundling tool for configuring your application. React will not make any change. Only the command how you create application, the command how you run application, that only changes.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, Ashish. Yes, Ashish, you have any doubts? Yes, Karthik. Yes, Karthik. You are not audible, Karthik. If you have any doubt, I am sending you an unmute request. Please unmute and talk. Yes, Ashish. So we can't solve your problem without talking to you or just chatting with messages. We need to share your screen. We need to check what issue you are facing. Chatting doesn't help, right? You need to talk. You need to share your screen so that I can check what is the issue. Chat messages don't help to solve any problems. Huh? Anybody have problems related to Google Class, please contact your course admin. He will help you in this. Yeah, offline, you have any doubts? Any issues are there? No. Yes, Hemant.
Yeah, sir. Good morning.
Morning.
Can we create two components in one React render, sir?
Already we done that, right?
Yeah, when I am trying, it was getting error, sir.
Can you share?
Yeah, sure, sir.
We already designed Netflix all now.
Yeah, but I am getting error. That's why I'm asking you.
Yeah, you can share.
Yeah. Yes. Mhm. Yeah, sir. The first file was register.
No, you cannot render two components. No? Startup is only one component. In the startup component, you have to use another component, nested, right?
Yeah.
You are rendering multiple.
Okay.
How multiple components can be rendered? Only one component starts with, right?
Okay.
This application starts with only one component. Which component? You better keep app as component, okay?
Okay.
In an app component, you render both register and counter. Understood?
Yeah, sir.
Then you will get, because startup must be only one, right?
Okay.
You are trying startup with two. This is possible if you are using your React in another web page, just like before this we learned, right?
Okay.
Right here it is possible to start with only one component, and that will be the startup component that you put as app. In app you can put both register and counter. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Amol. Yes, Amol, you have any doubt?
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Morning.
Sir, I may create one API, and that API call add
You
debugger.
created API?
The call API.
You are calling API, right?
Yeah, calling API. Then that API call and add debugger. Okay. And that API call
You
two
added
times.
debugger.
Yeah, for debugging.
You are debugging. Which debugger you are
Yeah.
using for API?
Means inside the function, add debugger for debugging.
See, APIs are debugged by using Postman, Fiddler, Swagger-like tools, not with your browser consoles.
Okay, but I am debugging functions.
You are debugging functions, but you cannot debug API through your debugger, right?
Yeah.
You have idea of that, right?
Yeah.
API debugging you learned?
Yeah. I am using Postman, Swagger. Already used that. I'm debugging function. That function called two times.
Can you share what you done?
No, sir. I am you join with mobile.
So better you share with your screen so that we can check what you are doing, right?
Okay.
So we need to see what you are doing, right?
Okay. So I call two times, then I am remove strict mode.
See, this imagination guessworks are time waste, right? So if you share and you show what you are doing, where you are getting issue, that will be perfect to solve the issues, right? I can't see what you have done, so then it is difficult to tell you where you have the issue, right? I need to see what you have designed, right? Okay.
Okay.
Can you share what you have designed so that we can see that? See, if you simply say I return function, I return function, I kept a debugger at line number 4, what I can see that? I can't do anything with that, right?
My question is only I am removing strict mode. That is correct or wrong?
What string mode you have set?
Strict mode.
Why you said that?
Why you? So already added in that.
That is
because of
because
of
yeah, tell me.
So recheck the code.
You get a clarity of your question. Huh? First get a clarity of your question, and then if you can show what you are doing, then we can solve your issues. Okay?
Okay.
First be clear about your problem. Huh? Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, Tejas.
Hello.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Actually, my question is, I'm a mobile developer. So in that class, are you providing building the .apk
mobile developer? We are going to show you how to use React Native here, not Docker.
Okay.
So we are going to show how React Native works in building mobile interface for mobile applications.
Okay, both, na? iOS and
obviously you can run for both, right?
Okay. And
React
this
Native,
doubt session is
React Native allows you to do that.
Okay. And one more is this doubt session in every Saturday.
Every Saturday we will have doubt session.
Okay.
Right.
Thanks.
Yeah. Yes, Jitendra.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, actually, my doubt is so far you have explained right the topics like React.js. Functionally, I'm a bit confident, but coming to the design part, I'm not sure about I'm working as a backend developer, but I want to be strong in the design part.
You need to be better with your CSS,
Yes.
Java,
Yes, correct.
Bootstrap.
Correct. Sir, yes. So, is there any easiest way to learn, which process I need to follow to be strong in design part? Yeah.
Before you go into React, so you need to be good with your CSS and CSS related other frameworks like Bootstrap and Tailwind CSS, right?
Yes.
That will help you to make good designs with React. Bootstrap, Tailwind, these are very popularly used. And in real world, we use Sass for CSS. CSS, Sass, Tailwind, Bootstrap. These are the concepts you need to be perfect as a React developer for modern web applications in companies.
Okay.
Right. So if you have time to explore, you need to explore about Tailwind, Bootstrap, and Sass.
Yeah, there is a I have heard there is another framework like Material UI is there.
That
so
is in React itself you will learn. React have MUI, right?
Is that is enough to learn?
MUI is not enough for everything. MUI is not enough for everything. See, any library is not enough because they don't provide all components required for you.
Yes.
They have limited resources. Obviously, you cannot do everything with those limited resources. You need a combination. Right? Even you have MUI will not provide a carousel. Right? But in web application, you need a carousel. Then how? Then you need to again depend on another third parties. Right?
Yes, sir.
MUI supports only few set of icons. You want some more icon which is not in MUI, then you need another third party.
Yes, sir.
Right. So that is the reason only MUI cannot do everything for React. Huh?
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, we need a combination of different. Huh?
Yes, sir.
And these are the major ones.
Yes,
Tailwind,
sir. Yes.
Bootstrap, MUI, even people use other third parties also. Huh?
Yes, sir.
As I showed you, Telerik.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
I've
got it.
Yeah. Yes, online people, anyone have more doubts? Every Saturday we will have only doubt sessions so that any issues you are facing while practice what we learned in this week, you can keep note and you can contact. Anyhow, every day after session also, if you have doubts, you can raise your hand so that we can get back to you. But we can spend more time about clarifying every doubt. So on Saturday session. Okay. Yeah, if you don't have any more doubts, online people, then we can connect again on Monday so that I can now check with the offline people's doubts if they have any. Yes, Mohammed.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir. Good morning.
Morning.
Can we create multiple components in the same file? Like
already we done, right? You haven't practiced all those. We designed Netflix like in the initial first sessions itself, right?
Okay.
There we created multiple components, na?
Yes.
Netflix index, Netflix header,
yes,
Netflix main. That is multiple components nested also, right?
Yes, sir.
So you haven't practiced those? That is multiple components only, na? And in further stages, you will see more. Okay.
No, sir. In that one, we created in HTML, right?
Here also we can do same thing. We can replicate here
in JS as well, right?
Why can't you do that?
Okay.
Right. Your startup component is app. That is your index. In app, you can put a header component, footer component, right?
Yes.
We can do them here also, right? In later stage, you will see so many other examples also. You can replicate the same Netflix example here in your React application. I asked you actually to try that. You haven't tried? No. You can create separate components and you can make the startup, right?
Yes.
It is possible to do. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, online peoples, any more doubts are there? Or we can wrap this session so that we can continue on Monday if you have no doubts. Huh? Yes, Samir.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Yes, Samir.
Yeah, I have a basic doubt here. Like, we have a Visual Studio Code ID. So, why the requirement exactly? What the requirement of Node.js here? To isn't the Visual Studio Code is capable of creating application scripts or
Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment which generally developers need to build web applications. Visual Studio Code is an editor. It cannot create an application. It can run, debug, test, and deploy your application. Right?
Okay, sir.
In Visual Studio Code, you cannot create an application, right? You can maintain your application. Okay. It is an IDE, right?
Right.
It is not for creating application. It is for maintaining, debugging, testing, deploying your applications. Any IDE's purpose is that, right?
Correct. Any, I mean, prerequisites or anything to learn about Node.js? So I'm not much aware or comfortable in Node.js side.
It's not an issue, right? Here we don't need any Node.js as of now, right?
Right.
Later when we learn about certain points about backend, then I will explain them in the class. How do we do that? Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, Anil. You are not audible, Anil. Little loud. Yes, Anil.
Are you able to listen to my voice?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you conduct the one session for how to debug in Visual Studio Code?
Of course, without that we will not learn any technology, right?
Yeah.
Once you know how to build, then you will learn how to debug, test, deploy. All are the concepts in learning a technology. Okay.
Okay. Actually, I'm a backend developer.
No, nobody is aware of that. People come to learn here. They need to learn designing, debugging, testing, deploying. All will be a part. Okay.
Okay, sir. And one more thing, in the console, I am unable to understand what is exact error meaning.
In the console, what you are trying to do?
When we get any X errors in console, so I am unable to understand the exact error meaning. So,
can you read that error and tell me what is that error if you got any error now?
Just I copy and paste to the ChatGPT, they give some solutions like that. But I can't.
You don't need any ChatGPT. You can read the error name, line numbers, it will show, right? Can you tell one error what you got and you are unable to understand? Can you tell about any error that you got and you are unable to understand?
Some uncat exceptions. Like in the debug session, I will tell you.
By the debug session, you don't need to tell anything. You will understand by yourself. Okay. Okay, na? Okay, so online people, so if you don't have any doubts, then we are wrapping this session. I'm ending the session. You join on Monday. Thank you. Yes, Karthik. Yes, Karthik, what is your doubt? Yes, Harshita. Yes, Harshita. You.
So what is the workshop that you have mentioned?
About what you haven't learned properly in JavaScript.
Okay.
Some concepts, if you don't have properly learned in JavaScript, such concepts you will have like a workshop. Okay?
Is it basically a project?
Not project. JavaScript related concepts that are required for React.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Where to enroll for it?
I will send a link there. Huh?
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, Karthik, you have any doubts? You are not audible. Okay then, online people, we are ending the session. Let's continue in Monday. Thank you.